Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to save parking location on Google Maps manually. So we can log down your coordinates the second you park the car. Pull out your smartphone or launch the Google Maps app and launch the Google Maps app. So wait a brief second for your screen to center and calibrate your exact location. Then tap directly once on the blue location dot that represents your current physical location. So on desktop, it's also this button right here, show your location. And then a hidden high priority menu card layer will immediately slide up from the bottom of your viewport interface. You can tap on the option explicitly labeled save parking. So there you go guys, right here on the screenshot. So you choose where you are, explore right, find yourself through this button. This is where you're supposed to be. And then you choose, as you can see, there's this P button and that says save parking, just click on that. And when you're ready to head back also, you can just open the map, tap the persistent yellow P icon, and then hit directions to get navigated straight back. That is it guys, pretty simply done. As always, enjoy and like and subscribe.